What's the meaning of crisp bread? Crisp bread. Crisp bread.
Crisp bread. Crisp bread. Crisp bread is a type of bread that is thin, flat, and crispy. It is made by baking a mixture of flour, water, and salt until it becomes dry and crisp. Crisp bread is usually eaten as a snack or as an alternative to regular bread in sandwiches. It can be topped with various spreads, such as butter, cheese, or jam, or used as a base for pizza or other dishes. Due to its long shelf life, crisp bread is a popular choice for camping trips, picnics, and as a convenient snack option.